Hello students, today we are going to look at some of the regional art styles of India. The first one is Fard paintings. The Fard paintings have evolved in Rajasthan. Basically they are the folk art of Rajasthan. In Fard paintings, the depiction of historical heroes such as Prithviraj Chauhan, Amar Singh Rathod, etc. are very common. In contemporary times, the stories from the life of Papuji and Narayan Devji, that are the contemporary heroes, are mainly depicted. Now the Fard is painted mainly in bold colors and it is rolled on two shafts of bamboo, thus making it very easy to carry. Why it is necessary to carry? Because these paintings are basically used by the bards of Rajasthan to go from village to village, and while singing about the adventures of the legendary heroes, they show the pictures, the Fard paintings, as a backdrop or a storytelling device. So basically the Fard paintings are storytelling pictures or storytelling paintings. So these are the few examples of the Fard paintings, and these paintings are basically painted by Joshis of Shahpura, and they have been doing it for centuries as a backdrop for the storytelling of the bards. The next one is Warli paintings. Now the Warli paintings are originated from Maharashtra, basically the district of Thane, where the Warli tribe resides. The Warli paintings have mainly as a subject the marriage god or Palghat. Palghat is the name of the marriage god. Palghat, his horse, along with the bride and groom, is the main subject most of the times for the Warli painting. Why? Because the Warli painting is done as a decoration at the time of weddings. These paintings are special as they most often they depict marriage ceremonies and celebrations centered around the marriage ceremony. Another popular theme for this folk art is the dance that the men and women perform in circles, and circles and spirals are around the musician. Always the musician is at the center and the dancers are around him. And also sometimes the village life or the day-to-day survival of the Warli people is shown. But mostly it is for the wedding ceremonies, and sometimes the subject of day-to-day life is used. The next style of paintings is Madhubani paintings. Madhubani or Mithila art, as it is known. Now it is persistent in some areas of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. It is said that the paintings evolved when King Janak of Mithila, who was the father of Sita, asked the painters to draw the marital ceremony of his daughter Sita with Lord Ram, the Prince of Ayodhya. And that is how the style of Madhubani paintings evolved. These paintings are made on various mediums such as cloths, handmade paper, and canvas. The main themes most of the times are Hindu gods and goddesses such as Lord Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. Most of the times the village women paint the pictures of Ramayana, Mahabharata, Krishna Leela, etc. Or even the simple subjects like some animals, birds, fish, etc. Or any other natural objects. Most of the times they paint on their mud walls of the hut, but nowadays it is done mostly on paper and cloths. So this is a tradition of art which is survived mostly by women, and most of the famous painters from the Madhubani style are also women. That will be all for today. Thank you.